boppity bonjour! Hello, Disney fans. We are so excited because today we're going to share with you one of our very first DIY videos. Tell them all about it, Sarah.
That's right, Grace. Grace is modeling our DIY craft, and I have to say, it saves you money on souvenir shopping, and it was one of our kids' favorite parts of our last Disney vacation. So you want to hear all about this DIY. The inspiration for this craft actually came from some of our own frustrations we've faced in past Disney trips. Can you imagine that? We love letting our kids pick out souvenirs, but has anyone else experienced that souvenir shopping can quickly become a nightmare? The kids just want to look and look and look, and no matter what budget we've given them, even when it seems like a very generous budget, they seem to always set their sights on something just a little more expensive. Then, whatever they buy, you have to carry around with you at the parks all day, or the kids find something better later. So, can you tell souvenir shopping is not my favorite?
Another issue we've had is with the autograph books. We love getting autographs of our favorite Disney characters, but it's hard to carry these around all day. And it seems like every time we found a character meet and greet, our autograph books would be stuck a long, long walk away in our stroller, and then we missed an opportunity. Also, we have 4 kids in our family, so it's not exactly packing light to have 4 thick autograph books with us all day in the Disney parks. Well, we found a perfect solution to these 2 problems. By the way, we're the Pixie Dust Pals. I'm Grace, and this is my mom, Sarah.
Hi.
We make these videos because we love connecting as a family on Disney vacations, and we really want to help your family make the most of your next Disney vacation. If you're really excited about this content, will you please like our video? It also really helps us out if you subscribe to our channel.
So our solution to this problem that we described earlier was making our own autograph book / pin trading lanyard for our most recent Disney vacation. Have you ever heard about pin trading in Disney? It is so much fun. There are pin trading stations all over the parks, and in most stores, cast members will trade any pin on their display for the Disney pins you have and request to trade. So we ordered some Disney-themed lanyards and a very reasonably priced pack of Disney pins just from Amazon before our most recent trip so that we were all set up for pin trading before we left. Some of the Amazon pins we got, by the way, were lame, but that was actually good because then the kids didn't feel sad giving them up to trade for the better ones they found all around the Disney parks. And every time we found a pin trading station, our kids got super excited to have some shopping time and to pick out what they wanted. However, there was a limited amount of choices, so it didn't eat up all of our park time. And we weren't spending any additional money. Now that is a win-win-win.
The second part of this idea is the DIY part. We decided to attach a small autograph book to our lanyards so that we had them on us all throughout the parks and were ready to go whenever we came upon a character meet and greet. I will say, if you go to California Adventure or Disneyland, there are a lot more spontaneous character meetings. It was so cool how characters just wandered around the park and a short line would form to meet them and get autographs. In Disney World, there are plenty of character meeting options too, but most of them are assigned to certain spots all day and rack up a longer line, up to 4 hours, as opposed to the California parks, where you can just walk by characters throughout your day. Either way, here's how we made our autograph books. We took plain cardstock paper and cut them all the same size. Ours were about 2 inches by 4 inches, and that left plenty of room for a signature on each page. You punch holes in the pages and attach them to a lanyard. We also found some special scrapbook paper to be the front and back covers, as well as some "This book belongs to" stickers at our local dollar store, but you can customize them in any way you want. Make sure you use a thick paper. You don't want these pages to get tugged off your lanyard, especially if you have a favorite character's autograph, because that will be just devastating to lose.
Our kids had so much fun doing pin trading and autographs on our most recent trip to Disneyland in California. I would say it was actually one of the highlights of the entire trip for them. We did also end up letting them each pick a brand new Disney pin from a store as their official souvenir. The cheapest tier of these is only $12.99, so not bad for a Disney souvenir, am I right?
Hey, at least we got out of buying a $35 bubble blower. Well, I hope your family has a lot of fun making autograph books and pin trading. And let us know in the comments what you're most excited for, the autographs or the trading pins. See you next time, and don't forget to keep spreading that pixie dust. Bye!